I'm Howard and interview these guys. What are the functions of the Golgi?
Well, the Golgi sends proteins, lipids, and lysosomes throughout the cell, make sure they know where to go. It finishes the jobs of other organelles, and it's basically like a post office of the cell. Just make sure that nothing gets lost, and you know, it's like the big boss of the cell, we believe. So,
yeah. So why is he important?
He's basically important because he finishes the roles of the other parts of the cell. The other parts of the cell mainly rely on the Golgi through, as Reed said, a post office where they can transport, export, and form to other parts of the organelles that need their functions most.
you know, and if the Golgi wasn't doing its job, you know, with proteins, then us humans would be, you know, we'd be like big popsicles. We would just melt because, you know, we are made up of protein. So it's pretty important to keep us alive.
We can also turn into jello too if we don't have proteins.
Yeah.
Okay. Why should be the president?
We believe that Golgi should be the president, mainly because he finishes the job of other organelles. You know, it's one of those organelles that you don't really look towards as like a very important organelle, because it's like one of those things where, you know, ribosomes and the ER, they do 3/4 of their own job and then they just hand it away, and nobody really looks at the Golgi to finish it. So the Golgi deserves some recognition, and we believe that it should be president because it's the one that actually makes sure the proteins and those important factors get to where they're going.
Okay. Why should organelles vote for him?
Organelles should vote for him because, like I said before, he's the organelle of the cell that the other cells rely on to do 3/4 of their partial functions, and they lay it on him as like a post office to continually fluctuate and keep the cell running right.
Yep, so we believe that we export, we transform, and we transport. So Golgi, vote for Golgi.
Golgi apparatus for the win!
Yeah!